The incandescent light bulb has been the primary form of electric lighting for over 100 years. There are many people involved with the creation of the incandescent bulb, such as Joseph Swan and Thomas Edison. The glass bulb contains a tungsten filament which heats up and emits light as an electric current passes through it. To protect it from oxidation, there is inert gas surrounding it with the glass bulb. The bulbs are put into sockets which supply electrical connections. Only about 5% of energy used in these light bulbs is converted into visible light. There are a wide range of sizes, light output, and voltage levels available for incandescent light bulbs. In addition, they have low manufacturing costs, can be used indoors and outdoors, and can be used in houses and commercial settings. However, only about 5% of energy used in these light bulbs is converted into visible light, with the rest of the energy being converted into heat. These light bulbs are steadily being phased out of sale due to this inefficiency. Peter Cooper Hewitt invented the first compact fluorescent lights in the late 1890s. They were mainly used for photographic reasons. Since then, the design for CFLs has been altered and usage has been steadily increasing. The three-dimensional spiral CFL was designed in 1976 as a response to the 1973 oil crisis. The design was created by engineer Edward Hammer, an employee at GE. Since the cost of creating this light bulb was too expensive, the idea was shelved. The first successful screw-in CFL was created in 1985 and acted as a replacement for the incandescent light bulb. Although CFLs cost more than incandescent light bulbs, they use significantly less electrical power and last 8 to 15 times longer. Another benefit of CFL lighting is their efficiency in warm climates. Only 30% of CFL energy is transformed to heat, opposed to the 90% that incandescent light bulbs use. There are two different types of CFLs, the integrated and non-integrated lamps. Each type has its own benefits, yet the non-integrated tend to be more complex and expensive. The integrated CFLs are easy to use, seeing as the consumer can simply switch their incandescent lights with CFLs. The two main components of CFLs are the magnetic or electronic ballast and the gas-filled tube. CFLs emit light by a mix of phosphor inside the bulb. High-quality CFL will use 3 or 4 phosphors to give the appearance of white light. Fluorescent bulbs may be significantly more expensive than incandescent bulbs, but due to their much higher efficiency and advanced technology, they will both use much less energy than an incandescent bulb and last 10 times longer. This is important for green technology because it is both economically sound and environmentally friendly, which makes the transition from incandescent bulbs to fluorescent bulbs much easier. Many argue that aesthetically, incandescent bulbs have a much softer warm light compared to fluorescent bulbs, which may have been true a few years ago, but fluorescent bulb technology continues to progress that aesthetically both bulbs produce identical lighting. Everyone can benefit from switching over to compact fluorescent lamps. It is much more efficient and will save you money on your electricity bills. Everyone can help contribute to decrease our environmental impact, but our goal is to begin with students. Students have the voice and can make an impact for future generations. Students who have taken energy efficiency classes are well informed in a sense where they can spread that knowledge to their parents and the surrounding community. They have the decision to make changes in their houses and the ability to influence colleges to make a change in dorms and classrooms as well. We also want to target businesses whether it is large or small. Businesses such as supermarkets must be well lit throughout the whole day. Making the change from incandescent light bulbs to CFLs would drastically lower their electricity bills, which is what all businesses want. Our goal is to have the people switch over to CFLs and understand the benefits it has on the consumer and the environment.